So here we are today in beautiful Fort Lauderdale, Florida, on a wonderful day. Looking at a 58 West Bay, 1999. This has been repowered with Cat C12, 705 horsepower. I have about 25 hours or so on them right now. This boat will cruise at 18 knots, max out at 22. Got a 17-foot 1-inch beam, 5-foot 9-inch draft. It's a 3-2 layout, which is pretty nice shape. Paint looks good. Windows all look good. Top's getting a little old. Looks like the arch is on a lift system or hinged system. The Salon ship was a popular boat back in the day. This is, guys wore suits to get on this thing. Nice large aft deck. Good sized swim platform. Got a Boston Whaler tender. Let's go on board, take a look. So there's some mechanics here doing some work, trying to do this for you while they just stepped off. But nice wide walk-arounds, good high railing system. Let's see what's in here. Got a grill top. Engine room, I took some stills. It's a stand-up engine room. Those cats, plenty of space. We have a lazarette down here that opens to the starboard side. A lot of space here. Good on the bottom of the stairs. It's probably 7 feet, 8 feet. Starboard side walk around. TV back here. Maybe needs a new mount on it. Nice. Go up 2 steps. Carpeted sole. Good sized salon. Big screen TV. Nice windows. I only opened them on this side. U-shaped seating on the port side. Starboard side has a couple bucket seats. Wooden blinds. Controls back here. Woodwork looks good. Countertops look good. Go up 3 steps. And the inside staircase to the Flybridge. We'll go up there later. L-shaped seating. Dinette on the starboard side. The pilot house is all the way forward. And a galley to the port. Galley has a TV in here as well. I should have turned the lights on in here, I guess, huh? Oh, or not. Anyway. Stainless fridge, stovetop, oven, trash compactor. Trash compactor. Big Raymarine screens, Caterpillar controls, bow thruster control, electronic controls, Raymarine. Headliner overall looks good, but this is coming off right here. Got a dishwasher on this side. Port and starboard pilot house doors. Woodwork needs some work. Go down below. 3 staterooms, 2 heads. On the way aft. This looks like they had a picture here. This looks like old glue. All the way aft, we have a master king-size berth. A little dark in here. I didn't open the curtains on this. It's nice and cool. Headliner's in good shape. Walls are in good shape. Woodwork looks good. Carpeting's good. Washer and dryer's in the master. Pretty good sized closet, although the light's not coming on. Don't know if you'll be able to see in that, cedar lined. It's pretty good sized. After that is the head, the shower stall. Got plenty of room. I tucked myself in there. I fit. Wooden floor. That's nice. Go forward. Midship, we have twin over twin bunks with the closet. It's in nice shape. All the way forward, we have a VIP. No en-suite head for the VIP, but a good size VIP. Queen berth, walk around aisle berth. It's in good shape. Go up top. We have the mechanics looking at the davit. Upholstery on the seats are dirty. They're not ripped or torn. There's your mechanics working on the davit. See, I only uncovered one of these. Let's see, we should probably clean up. I uncovered the other side also. We have 14-foot whaler. What's this system? inside. You know what? Let's go up to the bow. One final look in here. It's double doors, both open, and the stairs are down for the engine room. Aft window opens. This one no. Side windows no. Cameras are on the boat. I see one up here. There's one in the engine room. Alright, so 58-foot West Bay, 1999. Newer power with about 25 hours on them. Cat C12s, 705 horsepower. This one World Yachts. We're out.